National Track and Field Fraternity is still waxing lyrical about the performances of young Shanoya Douglas at the Character Trials. She won the 100 meters in 11.06 and was back 2 days later in the 200 meters to stop the clock at 22.58, both massive personal bests, to set tongues wagging again about her great potential. And look, we all know all the odds she will be up against as an outstanding junior, progressing to senior greatness. Of course, not attending one of those glory-chasing schools at Champs, being meticulously guided by her longtime coach, all of that helps, even as we await the inevitable decision of the 18-year-old and her team to go or not to go professional. Oh, Shanoya Douglas is one of those special talents that we get nervous about. Yes, we literally don't want anything to go wrong. We don't want no mistake to make. We just need to see how far her special God-given talent will take her.